Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in pineapple. Let's learn some colors name. These are colors. Orange color, sea green color, brown color, black color, wine color, pink color, yellow color. These are colors. So kids, now we learn how to color in our pineapple. Let's start. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Today we use yellow and green color. Now we use yellow color. Pineapple. So kids, this is pineapple and we use green and yellow color. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.